So in the last lecture we saw that sum of n terms of an AP is n by 2 twice of A plus n minus 1 into D, right? This is sum of first n terms of an AP, this is first term of the AP, this is common difference, and n is the number of terms, right, of which we are taking the sum. And another way of writing it was, we separated this 2a as a plus a and n minus 1 into d, as we can observe that this is nothing but the nth term, right? So this can also be seen as n by 2 first term plus the nth term, right? If I write the first term as a and nth term as an, then I can write it as n by 2 a plus an also, right? Then we spoke about the Sn being a quadratic expression in n. It is a quadratic expression in n with constant term as 0, right, and with coefficient of n square as half of common difference, right? This is what we talked about. Now let us learn a few things. Sum of first n natural numbers, that is Sn is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus up to n, right? So we are talking about sum of first n natural numbers, and it is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This is what I am going to show here, right? So now we know the formula for it. Let us learn it through the formula. Formula is n by 2 twice of a plus n minus 1 into the common difference, or another way of writing it was n by 2 into first term plus the last term or nth term, right? When we are talking about sum of n terms, our last term is the nth term, right? So first plus nth or first plus last. So it is equal to n by 2. What is the first term here? It is 1. What is the last term or nth term? That is n. So I can write it as 1 plus n or n plus 1 here. So what is the sum? N into n plus 1 divided by 2. So the sum of first n natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So if I ask you sum of first 50 natural numbers, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 50, then you will say 50 into 50 plus 1, that is 51 divided by 2. This will be the sum. Sum of first 10 natural numbers, you will say 10 into 11 by 2, right? 10 n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So this is how you will find sum of first n natural numbers. Now using the same formula, let us find sum of first n odd natural numbers. You need to memorize these sums that I'm talking about here, right? These should be on your tips, that sum of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of first n odd natural numbers is n squared. This is what we are going to find out. So let me write first n odd natural numbers like this: 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 up to, I'll go up to, what will be the nth odd natural number? It will be 2n minus 1. How did I obtain it? I already spoke about nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP. What is the nth term? A plus n minus 1 into d. Now in these odd natural numbers, the common difference is 2, right? Common difference is 2. So if, and first term is 1, so 1 plus n minus 1 into the common difference, that is 2. So it will be equal to 1 plus 2n minus 2, that is 2n minus 1. Otherwise, we also discussed that nth term of an AP is a linear expression in n with the coefficient of n being the common difference. Now we know that the common difference is 2. So my nth term will have this 2n in its expression, right? Nth term is a linear expression in n with coefficient of n as the common difference. So 2n will definitely be there in the expression for an. Now look at the first term. First term is 1. If I put n equal to 1, I'll get 2. So I need to subtract 1. Now if I put n equal to 1 here, I'll get 1, which is my first term. So nth term of this AP is 2n minus 1, right? I need to find this sum now. So let me apply the formula, which is, I'm talking about n odd natural numbers. So the number is n by 2, first term plus the last term or the nth term. 1 will get cancelled. Now it will be n by 2 into 2n. So this 2 will also get cancelled and the result will be n squared, right? So sum of first n odd natural numbers is n squared. But you need to keep in mind that nth odd number is 2n minus 1 here, right? So you need to first of all count how many odd natural numbers are written, right? And then you can apply this formula. What I mean is, let us say you need to find this 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to, let us say, 99. Now what will be this sum? These are odd natural numbers and these start from 1 here. So what is n square? Is n square 99 squared? No, it is not 99 squared. N is number of terms in this sum, right? And how many terms are these? This is something that you need to calculate first. In this expression here, if you can see, if I plug in 2, 4 and then in the end 100, these are 100 terms, right? If I've removed these even terms from it, I just got these odd natural numbers. These are 50 odd natural numbers written on the board here. So n square is 50 squared, that is 2500. So this sum here is 2500 and not 99 squared. So this is not n, right? N is number of terms. This is what you need to take care of. So sum of first n odd natural numbers is equal to n square. Third thing that I want to learn is sum of first n even natural numbers. Sum of first n even natural numbers. Let me clear the board. Sum of first n even natural numbers. Now this is pretty simple for you to think. First even natural number is 2, then 4, 6, 8, right? We will go up to nth even natural number will be 2n, right? Because if I put n equal to 1, I'll get 2. If I put n equal to 2, I'll get 4, right? So this is the sum that I need now. So what will be Sn? It will be equal to n by 2, first term 2 plus the last term, that is 2n, right? So 2 can be taken outside. So it will be n by 2 into 2 into n plus 1. 2 will get cancelled and it will be equal to n squared plus n, right? This is the sum of first n even natural numbers. So if you can observe, this is sum of first n odd natural numbers and there is this n, right, which is being added here. And you can notice that if I write the odd natural numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on up to the nth one, which is 2n minus 1, right? The sum of first n odd natural numbers was n squared, right? Now to write an even natural number, I'll have to add 1 here and I'll get first even natural number, which is 2. To get my second even natural number, that is 4, I'll have to add 1 in this 3. and if I add 1 in this 5, I'll get my third natural number, that is 6. So I have to add 1 1 1 here to obtain these set of first n even natural numbers. What was sum of these odd natural numbers? It was n squared. And how many ones I have to add to obtain n even natural numbers? I have to add 1 n times, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 n times, which is nothing but n. So sum of first even natural numbers is nothing but n squared plus n, right? I want you to memorize these three, that sum of first n natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Sum of first n odd natural numbers is equal to n squared, and sum of first n even natural numbers is equal to n squared plus n, or n into n plus 1, right? This is about this lecture, right? We will meet in the next one.